Guys, your friend Adeyemi Blushing is here. On today's video, we're going to talk about how you can do dollar arbitrage on a particular website. I will show the website here, but actually, it's not that I'm stupid by making this video, but I just, because there is actually nothing that is, can stay forever, at least for depending that this platform is going to work for you and I. If we stay longer, if we did not abuse it, but I just feel like, oh, let me share this with my subscribers on this channel right here. Okay, so what we do is just to buy the dollar at the rate of 417 naira, then you sell it back at the black market rate on Binance. So, and I'm going to tell you the step by step, so make sure that you stay glued and watch this video from the beginning to the end. Don't miss any part so that you don't make any mistake. You just to get a trusted partner, because you cannot do this arbitrage alone. Another thing is you need a Naira bank account, have already. Then you need a Binance account to buy USDT and sell it back on that platform, on the P2P. So you need that as well. So, but the most important is that you need a trusted partner that you can be running this together. So this is the platform, FX platform, but here is not that you need to be trading forex right there, but you just need a simple stop, right? So because but I will guide you how you're going to do that, right? So now what you're going to do is just to come to open an account right here. So when you click on open an account, then you register as I cannot go through how you can be doing that here, right? So once you do that, you registered, you have to verify. The two of you, make sure that you verify. You can verify with your NIN, the plastic, driver's license, or the international passport. Once you verify the account, then you'll be eligible to fund your account, right? So then this is the first time that we actually, I'm not sure you much in transaction right here, but this is the first time that we actually did it. So I have a partner, so we tested it out right here. Okay, so what we do is that I personally deposited through Neteller. So one person have to deposit view amounts with the minimum you can deposit with Neteller is 10 Neteller, right? $10 on Neteller. So I personally can see I deposited 15 USD right here. When we want to test it out, if it will actually work. So we tested it with this. So I deposited 15 USD with Neteller, right? So then my partner, he deposited through Naira, which is 417 Naira per dollar. So we tested it out, and after he deposited it, so equivalent of what he deposited was $12 or thereabouts. And now sent it to me through external transfer. I can see this is external transfer. So he sent it from his own account to my own account right here. Then when I received it, then I withdrew via Neteller. So when I withdrew via Neteller, then I used that Neteller to buy USDT on Binance and sell it back. And guys, it was actually profitable. When you fund at 417 and you sell it back at so that is it. So that is the first transaction that you need. As in you if you are the one that want to take Neteller, at least you can only withdraw via what you used to deposit. That is why one person must be in charge of Neteller, the other person must be in charge of Naira, refunding Naira. So after the first transaction, so the person that's actually funded in Naira will be the one that will be funding always and send it through internal. So now this is how it works, guys. So after you have registered, and make sure that you verify the account, and then you need to create the trading account. after you create the general, that is the general account where you can enter into the platform. So you can see here that we have an open new account. All right, so this is the account that I'm talking about that you can be using to do the transaction inside. And just click on open new account. So once you click on open new account, you have to be open real account. So make sure that it's this, right? Standard, the first one right here. All right, so just click on open new accounts. Don't make it a real, then MT4 right here, click on this place, or leave this like that. Then USD, leave it like that. Then the standard, leave it like. Can also give it a nickname if you like. It's editable, right? You can see that it's editable. Then the password that you'll be using as the internal password, so you have to create. You can see, so you can put the password there. Then once you do that, you click on create account. So once you do that, guys, it's gonna give you the account number like this that you Neteller that you want to use. Make sure that it is verified. All right, make sure that it is verified. So then all you need to do is just to come to deposit here. So when you come to deposit, so the person that is choosing Neteller, no, I told you you must be two. So one person will choose Neteller, right? One person will choose Neteller, so you can choose Neteller. Once you choose Neteller, then you have to consider the minimum you can fund is 10 USD. 10 USD. That is $10. So you're going to fund, guys. You're in your team. You are going to fund Neteller once. Once you fund Neteller once, then your partner. So your partner is going to choose online bank, either this or this, right? Either this or this. So now let's choose this. So you can see that right here. So for example, now if I want to fund, if I want to fund 4,009, okay, let's say 4,000, minimum is 4,169, 169. You can see right now it has even reduced to 416.9. It will go to 417 back. It's now 416.9. You can see this is 4,169 naira. Is now 10 US dollars. So the person will be funded. Then this partner. So one person will choose this and deposit this. So when the person that funded naira, when he finish funding, when he's finished his own funding, of course you cannot just fund when they credit you and transfer the money immediately. No, you cannot do it like that. So the next thing that they're going to do after that is two of you are going to do this before you do any transaction. Before you send or before you withdraw. So what you're going to do right here after you have done the funding, you need to do now is just to come to my account here. So when you get to my account, you're going to see your fund right here. So then you're going to click on trade. So when you click on trade, you can just, if you like, you can install this, but I did not do that because they have web where you can trade. So you just need to click on this and click on that is the first one here, web terminal. So when you click on the web terminal, so it's going to open the place just like MetaTrader 4 for those account has been logged in. So it's going to open like this. You can see the account has been logged in already. So when you're going to do, you will see your balance. You see your balance here. The balance that you have, you're going to see it right here. Okay. So now the next thing that you're going to do is just to, come to this place, right? Where you say, oh, new order, this. So it will open a new order. Sure that you open Bitcoin versus US dollar, right? Once you open Bitcoin versus US dollar, don't open any other pair. Bitcoin versus US dollar, it will show. That's what we show initially. So all you need to do is just to click on buy or sell any one of them. So then you have to monitor the market. When you see that you are losing about $1, so you can close the market, right? You can now close the market. So two of you is going to do that the first time that you are going to, anytime you want to do transaction, rather anytime before you either fund naira after you defer your first transaction with Neteller and naira. You have to do that before you send internal. Whoever that want to send naira to or the other, fund naira, you must make sure that you are trading and lose at least maybe $1 in every transaction. And whoever that want to withdraw in the Neteller, before you withdraw the Neteller, you must make sure that you are losing at least maybe $1 and close the market, right? So, and if it is even in profit, you can still close it. Either it's not that you must lose that $1. If it go to like $1 per, but you must trade. I think you must trade, all right? You must trade. So if it go to $1 profit, you can close it. If you go to $1 lesser, you can close it. So that is that about all this. Then now to withdraw now, after the person that spent that fund naira, remember that you're going to send the internal fund to your partner. So all you need to do is just to click on withdraw. So click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, then scroll down. So scroll down. You're going to see between your account, you're going to see to another user. So you're going to choose to another user. You can see the fee is actually 0 and it's an instant. So it may take some time. At times it may not be instant, but you get it. So then you're going to click that. So once you click that, you're going to choose from the account to another users. You can see to another users. So from the account, which is your own account, it will show here. Then you are going to collect this account and email that your partner used to register the Xness account. So you're going to collect the two, right? So you're going to this type of account, you're going to put it here. Then the email of that person, you're going to put it here. Then the reason of sending, it depends on you. So then so you can actually choose anything. You can say gift, so you choose anything, or deposit. Then amount that you want to send to that person, then it will say continue, right? So once sent to your partner that want to withdraw via Neteller, then the person will receive it. Once the person receive it, then all you need to do is just to go and withdraw to your Neteller. So you just need to choose Neteller. It's a 0. They will not charge anything at all. Then you put the amount here. Okay, the amount I want to withdraw. Then click on withdraw. Then once you withdraw, that is the first part. So once you withdraw, then the money will enter into your Neteller account, and make sure that your Neteller is 100% verified. And the next thing that you're going to do is just to go to the Binance. Remember that you already have your fund in Neteller. So when you get to Binance, you want to buy USDT. So you want to buy USDT, you want to use that money to buy USDT. So all you need to do is just to come to Fiat here. So you're going to type USD. You want to use a USD Fiat, and you come to the payment here. You're going to choose Neteller because you want to pay with Neteller. So you're going to say Neteller. So you're going to choose Neteller, then on mark. So then you can see this guy is going to say right here. So what you need to do is just to click on buy USDT. So when you click on buy USDT, I did not log in here. So I'm just trying to, because I know that most of you guys, you already understand this. So I'm just giving you hints on how it works on Binance here. So once you place your order and you pay to the person, you receive USDT into your Binance account, then you pay to the person that you bought from him. Then after you've done that, then the next thing that you're going to do is just to sell your USDT back to Naira and receive your Naira from Binance right here, as we normally do. So I know that most of you guys that you are doing arbitrage, you already understand how things is working. What you actually need is where you can buy from the lower rates, which we have already discovered from this video. So that is what I have for you guys right here today. So if you're new to this channel, I want you to click on the subscription button, and if you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share it with your friends, right? So this is what I have for you. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.